everyone! Today we're going to go over identifying notes and clapping the rhythms. So let's get started. Quick reminder, how do we identify if it's on a line or a space? You'll know it's on a line if there's a line going through it. You'll know it's on a space if there are no lines going through it. So if it's on a line, I'll remind you. We have every good boy does fine, and then when I say is in the space, it spells face. So we have F, A, C, which gives us our first answer to the first two notes, woohoo! And then E. All right, now, we talked about the lines just a second ago, so every good boy, right? And then check it out, same note, right? C. And again, notice the trend. Some of these notes repeat themselves. Kind of helps out, gives you the answers. And you have A, down a step, right? Down a step, so every good. Ooh, we've got a bag in this exercise too. Lots of fun. All right, let's try it. Keep going. Space, A, down to a line, which is G, down to an F, up a space. Or up a step, not a space. Sorry about that. Don't want to confuse you. Up a step to a space, A. Up a step to a line, right? Up a step. Down a step to B. Down a step to A. Up one step to B. Up a step to C. Down a step to B. Down a step to A. Down a step to G. We have two bags in this exercise. Keep going. A, up a step B, and up a step C. Hopefully that wasn't too quick for you. Again, if we have any questions ever, any point, and it seems like, man, Mr. Schaefer, you're going way too fast. I don't get it. How did you get your answer? Please email me and let me know, and then I will give you the answer, or try to help you in whatever question you have. Alrighty, now let's clap this out and focus on the rhythms. So we have three notes we're working with. We have a quarter note, which is worth how many beats? 1. Half note's worth how many beats? Answer's 2. And then the very last note at the end, which is C, is what? A whole note, which is worth how many beats? 4. Okay, so let's try to clap this whole thing out. I'll count you off and we'll do it together, okay? So 1, 2, ready, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? Hopefully that wasn't too difficult. Now let's jump to the next one real quick here. Now, we might be able to notice that if we take a look at this one here, we can kind of see a pattern. It starts on C. Sometimes you might notice that as you're going through the music, like, oh yeah, I've seen this note before. All right, so we've got C, down a step to B, up a step to C, and we're moving up, so every good boy does D, down a step to C, down a step to B, up a step to C, down a step to B, down a step to A, same note, up a step to B, down a step, down a step, down a step, up a step. Ooh, we got another bag in there. Lots of fun. All right, let's keep going. So A, B, C. Hopefully I didn't go too quickly for you. I'm just hoping that you're starting to see a pattern and that hopefully it's becoming a little bit easier now that we've been doing this for a little while and kind of practicing, looking at these notes and seeing how it looks on paper and in an actual musical exercise. Okay, so let's try to clap this together. And again, I'm going to remind us on the 3/4 time signature. It sounds different than the one we just did before us, which was the 4/4 time signature here. Okay, so 3/4, I'll count us out, and then clap with me as I count. and clap. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3, ready, and clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How'd you do? Did you remember that dotted note, that dotted half note that we see at the end, and then the one that we see in the middle right here? I hope you did. Hopefully it didn't throw you off too much, and hopefully we're getting used to seeing these notes. Alrighty, everyone. Thank you so much for clapping along with me and identifying these notes with me, and I will see you next time.